We're near the pig farm. Let's go. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's the way! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Forward leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Forward leads to... Let's go to the big bridge. Right leads to Brenham Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift them. That's the way. Great! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.